Programming as a problem-solving process, which we discussed in the previous video, can be viewed in terms of three domains. These three domains are problem domain, machine domain, and solution domain. The problem domain includes identifying the needed input data and output data. Like, for example, the problem of sorting a finite number of integers. In this problem, we can identify that the needed input data is the set of random integers, and the needed output data is all the input integers in sorted order. The machine domain includes identifying the needed or required computer hardware or software specs to be able to run or execute the solution program successfully. Specifically, we need to know the computer processor and memory or RAM requirement of the problem. If the problem involves a large database of student records or employee records, or maybe an inventory system involving a large product database that searches through a large number of records, we need to use a computer with large memory or RAM and high-speed processor to do the searching fast. The third domain, which is the solution domain, links the previous two domains. The solution domain involves identifying what is the appropriate data structure to use for data representation and what is the best algorithm to solve the problem. It is important that we use the most appropriate data structures used to store the input, computed, and output data that allows us to be able to access the data easily and perform the needed operations efficiently. And of course, equally important is deciding what algorithm to use to solve the problem in such a way that the equivalent program of the algorithm saves computer memory or RAM space. And second, runs or executes fast. Okay? So these are the two factors or criteria in deciding what data structure and algorithm to use. We need to be able to decide what appropriate data structure to use to represent our data and designing the best algorithm such that the resulting program implementation of the algorithm will save memory or RAM space and it runs or executes fast. So these three circles represents the three domains of problem-solving process. The circle to the left is the problem domain, which involves the necessary input data and the expected output data. The circle on the right is the machine domain, which involves what are the necessary hardware specifications, the RAM, and the processor in order to solve the problem. And the circle at the center is the solution domain, which links these two circles, the problem domain and the machine domain. This involves what data structure we need to use and the algorithm that save memory and runs fast.